Quickly wanted to give you guys a lineup of the cars that we have parked here at Hamza Invest today. And what you're gonna notice is one thing. Let me tell you what that is. Really quickly, you guys know I'm a huge AMG fan. Most of the cars here used to be, still are AMGs. Well, not in the office today, but most of the cars are still AMGs. We got the G500, 20-year-old G-Wagon. We replaced the G63 with a brand new Land Rover Defender. And I know what you guys are gonna say. How can you replace a G63 for a Defender? And let me tell you what's happening. What's happening is we need 7 seats. Our kids are growing. My son is a little taller than I am. My daughter is almost as tall as I am. And guess what? Unfortunately, G63s are beautiful cars, but they are deceivingly small, meaning on the interiors, back seats, just very small, don't fit. Defender fit my wife way better, and she's more happier. So G63 is gonna ultimately come back, probably when my kids go to college. We're probably definitely gonna get another G63, but until then, she's happy with this. We didn't go Range Rover because it was also small. She prefers the 7-seater 110 Defender. All right, then we have Flexi over there, as you guys can see. Then we have the Bronco, and then we have the AMG GT. Now my GTR Pro is probably coming back sometime this week, fingers crossed. And we have another new car that we're picking up today that's gonna be hopefully in tomorrow's lineup when I do that. So this is what we're looking like at Hamza Invest. Oh, we have the Audi Q7 over there as well. I'm trying to convince everyone to go AMG, and ultimately it's gonna happen, but you know, it's baby steps, one step at a time. So hopefully in the next couple of years, what you'll see here at Hamza Invest is full-on AMG mania, which is what I love. Habibi, let's go.